Self-locking connecting sleeve. No threading required. The overall structure design is ingenious. Reinforcement tensile grade up to grade for steel. Suitable for emergency construction projects. Connect without additional devices. And the sleeve can be reused. Assembly and disassembly. It's very simple. During construction, just pick up the steel insert sleeve. A high-strength connection can be achieved. Simple without technical guidance. One-way stretching is easy to pass inspection.